Welcome to part 1 of hip flexibility and stretching workout. We're going to use the resistance bands and the Pilates ball. Let's begin with warming up our body by rolling our shoulders around and roll other way around. Extend the arms out, twist. It's a spinal twist, so you keep the hips square, keep the chest and the arms square. Extend one arm up, one down, stretch the arms away from each other, lean to the side and keep the lower shoulder nice and soft. Come back to center and same thing on the other side. Shake the hands and roll your wrist. Now, we're going to come on our back and open the legs. They are wider than my hip zone. I'm going to show you from the side. So this is my sitting position. This is the correct sitting position to stretch the hip and keep the spine nice and safe. So I'm going to tuck my tail under and scoop my abdomen up towards my rib cage. Rotating my legs side to side. Keeping the shoulders nice and rolled back and rolled down towards the hips. Elbows soft, 90-degree angle elbow. Hands are facing the front of the room, with the elbows closing towards each other. So slightly hiding behind my back. So make sure you're scooping. So this is the wrong position. Make sure you scoop in and lower the hip. Good. To protect your spine. Same thing on the other side. Good. So we're going to hold a bit longer now. And back to other side. Again, be aware this is the correct position. And twist again and hold. Now you can add pulses on the back leg. If you need, you can go on your elbow if you feel a bit tired holding on your hands. Pulse the back leg a few times and same thing this side. So as you can tell, it's also involved stretching and opening the glutes and the maximus glutes. Lovely, back again. Now I'm going to just turn a bit to the side so you have a better view, and I'm going to again rotate side to side. This time I'm going to bring my leg a bit closer, so hip distance apart. From time to time, just check your shoulders and make sure that they are rolled back and rolled down, elbows staying soft and hands, fingers wide open. Now, if you like, you can lift your feet off the floor, but keeping my knees attached and my feet attached. Lovely. And twist. If you like, lift them up or rest them. Nice. This is the wrong position. Make sure, don't let your leg to pull your spine up. Make sure you brace the abdomen, press it in towards the spine and scoop it up towards your rib cage. And then you can also extend the top leg as you twist to one side, flex the foot, keep the leg aligned with your hip, fold back again to center, and same thing on the other side, flex your foot, back again to center, and again. Let's do a few more side to side. Now, shake the hands and roll your shoulders. And once you're ready, we're going to repeat the same routine, lying down on our back. But for this part, we also can use the Pilates ball. If you don't have the ball, you also can use a cushion or any soft object, even a towel. You can fold it and place it between your legs. We're going to keep the leg in a tabletop position, which means ankles aligned with my knee and knee right on top of my hip. Lovely. So placing the ball or the towel or the cushion between my legs, and I'm going to rotate my legs side to side or my hips side to side. Remember to keep the feet aligned with your knee, so straight line from the heel to the knee. So like if you're creating an L shape with your legs from the hip to the heel. So pulling the navel in, keeping the back nice and straight and flat. No arch, no lump, and no bump in my spine. Keeping the chest open and depressed. And same thing with the shoulders. If you struggle with rolling back up to twist to other side, you can use the hand to assist you. So the spine should be nice and straight, elongated. Straight line from the top of the spine, back of your neck, all the way down to your tailbone. Lovely. Slow down. And then you also can, once you twist your leg to one side, you can just drop them and hold them a bit longer. You can hold the hand on the top leg, apply a gentle pressure just to increase that range of flexibility and opening of the hip. You're going to push the legs up to the center and then drop them to other side. Again, I keep repeat. Because it's very important that you keep the spine nice and elongated, straight, by pulling the abdomen in and scoop it up towards your rib cage. Bring the leg back to center and remove the ball. Open the legs wide and again, swing your legs side to side, back nice and straight. Don't let your leg pull your spine off the mat. Keep scooping the abdomen in, roll it up towards the rib cage. That allows you to elongate your spine. Rotate the leg side to side, so make sure the feet are mat distance apart. Chest open, shoulders open, upper body fully relaxed. Allow your hip to rotate. Lovely. The longer you hold, the more you feel the stretch moving up towards your oblique. Scoop, tuck the table in and under. Keep the hips aligned. And then roll to other side. Now it helps if you imagine that between the hips there's a bridge. The bridge is your lower back. you're going to step on every single stepping stone from this hip, cross the bridge to other hip. So hold on this end, then cross the bridge to other side. Now gently roll yourself up into seated. I'm gonna just shake your legs. Let's do a forward fold. Legs fully extended. I'm gonna fold from my lower back. Then fold one leg behind you. And same thing, fold forward towards the extended leg. Make sure the leg is nice and flat and pressed down. Flex your foot. Now, if you can reach your shin bone, if you can reach your ankle, if you can reach your toes, and if you can wrap your hands around your heel. Make sure your hips are square. So the front hip aligned with the back hip. Of course, because of our sitting position or the leg position, you need to adjust it. And to adjust it, you need to pull the abdomen in to align your spine. When you fold forward, make sure you're not lifting the shoulders up towards your neck. You're not hunching your back. You keep the shoulders back and down, chest lifted towards your collarbone, and you fold from the spine. Lovely. Gently come up. Bring the back leg in, cross it over, and hug it with the opposite hand, and open the front arm to the back, and twist and look over the back shoulder. Same thing, make sure the shoulder is in neutral position, so you're not lifting the shoulder up. Release the leg, give the leg a nice shake, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So you see, you need to adjust your hip by bracing your abdomen. You lower the back hip, keep the abdomen in, tailbone tucked under. That allows you to adjust your hips and bring the hip bones to the center. And then gradually and slowly, you're going to start folding forward, vertebrae by vertebrae, from the end of your spine, from your lower back all the way over. Arms on either side of the leg, and if you can, extend the arms or keep them to your side. Hold on to your shin bone, the ankle, toes. Lovely. And just hold. Make sure your back is nice and flat, so you're not hunching your back. So this is the wrong position. Make sure you're not lifting the shoulders up towards your ears. You keep them back and down, chest lifted towards the collarbone, and you fold from the lower back. It's a deep stretch, so you need to take your time and practice it more often. It will be good if you put it in your daily routine. And hold as long as you can. Anything between 30 seconds to 45 or even 60. And again, hold the back leg, cross it over, hug it with the opposite hand, and twist. Another spinal twist. Lovely. Undo the leg, extend it, give the leg a nice shake, arms out, up to your chest. Hope you enjoyed the session, and watch for part 2.